Okay, guys. This upcoming days, a couple of weeks, or months, and it's gonna be cold, and it's gonna be coming up with this winter season. Where I live, it's like a city. Right now it's getting cold, and it's we get where I live, it's like four season, it gets cold, warm, hot, and getting warm again, get cold again. It's like I don't know. Right now it's in the winter, or December, and we're getting lots of snow, and probably this much of a snow, and it's gonna be really cold, and I don't think I can put out any videos or contents for you guys to watch. Right now I am getting a lot of views and on my videos, and probably within a couple of days I'll probably getting a lot of subscribers coming in. So yep. Okay, guys, keep watching, and I'll be showing you guys more content. Okay, guys, if you guys like this video, I do have a lot of videos on my channel if you guys want to check out. Okay, see ya.